You must have heard a lot about chia seeds, but do you know why it's so popular? These tiny seeds have been touted for their health benefits for centuries and are a staple in the ancient Aztec and Maya diets. They're a powerhouse of nutrients packed with essential vitamins and minerals that provide numerous benefits for your overall health. In this video, we will explore the top 10 health benefits of chia seeds that will make you want to include them in your diet right away. Number 1. Fight free radicals. Chia seeds contain antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and caffeic acid, which help your body fight free radicals that cause oxidative stress and cell damage. Number 2. Improved digestion. The high fiber content in chia seeds can promote regular bowel movements, reduce inflammation, and regulate cholesterol levels in the body. Number 3. Good for bone health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus that help maintain strong bones and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Number 4. Original electrolytes. Chia seeds contain minerals that act as electrolytes in the body, helping to regulate fluid balance, prevent dehydration, and maintain nerve and muscle function. Number 5. Supports weight loss. The fiber and protein in chia seeds can also help promote feelings of fullness and support weight loss efforts by curbing excessive calorie intake. Number 6. Promotes heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by lowering blood pressure and inflammation. Number 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. Chia seeds have a low glycemic index, which means they do not cause spikes in blood sugar levels and can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Number 8. Boosts energy and endurance. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats in chia seeds can provide a sustained release of energy and improve endurance for physical activities. Number 9. Increases sexual desire. According to a recent study, the fatty acids in chia seeds can help boost testosterone levels naturally, which can enhance sex drive and performance. Number 10. Controls hair loss. The essential vitamins and minerals in chia seeds, including zinc and copper, can also help prevent scalp infections and hair thinning, promoting healthier hair growth. In simple words, this little seed packs a punch of health benefits and is definitely worth incorporating into your daily diet.